Welcome to Saitechinfo channel, my dear students. In today's session, we'll be discussing about Lewis structure. It is a pictorial representation of covalent bonding between the combining atoms. What is covalent bond? It is formed because of the mutual sharing of electrons. Both the participating elements are electronegative, probably equally electronegative. When there is a difference in electronegativity, then it may lead to ionic bond. Now we are talking about covalent bond. And where this Lewis structure concept can be applied. This is applicable in case of S block elements, P block elements, D block elements, F block elements. Then we can also apply in organic compounds, in elucidating the structures of organic compounds. The electron dot formula of organic compounds. Some simple structures. It is the shared valency electrons, and they are represented as a pair of dots between the combining atoms. The unshared electrons of the atoms are represented as a pair of dots, and they are generally called lone pair of electrons. They are also called non-bonding electrons. Now let us see some steps to draw the Lewis structure. Let us consider the simple structure, water. So water, you know the molecular formula, that is HOH, that is H2O. So what we need to do is, you have to place the electronegative atom at the center and hydrogen on either side. Now we need to calculate the total number of valence electrons of all the atoms in the molecule. So let us calculate the total number of electrons. Here we have hydrogen. So for hydrogen, after all, it is 1. For oxygen, you can write down the electronic configuration as 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4, because the atomic number of oxygen is 8. So therefore, that is 4 electrons, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p4, 4, that is 6 electrons. 6 electrons in the outermost shell. Here the outermost shell is second shell. So you have how many? That is 6. So you have 2 hydrogen. So 2 into 1, 2 plus 6, that is 8. So we have total valence electrons 8. In case of polyatomic ions, the charge on ion should be included here. Okay. So the calculation of the total valence charge is based on what? The charge of the ions. If it is a O2 minus, means that is you have got 2 electrons excess. So that is you have to add 2 electrons. If it is sodium plus, means that is you have to cut 1 electron. So likewise you have to play around the valency electrons. Then let us come to this water. So you have to draw simple single bond. Okay, 2 single bonds, OH, OH. Okay. Then the remaining, that is how many totally? That is 4 plus 2, that were 8 electrons. 2 plus 6, 8 electrons. So 8 electrons means we have already accounted for 4, so balance 4. So that 4 electrons as pairs of electrons, that is lone pair of electrons, can be placed on the most electronegative atom. Here oxygen is the most electronegative atom. So we can place that one. So 2 sets of, that is lone pairs of electrons, can be placed as shown in the diagram. Okay. Now we have to verify the octet rule. For hydrogen it is a duet. So 2 electrons should be there. So you have got a bond means 2 electrons. So hydrogen has got 2 electrons. And what about this hydrogen? This hydrogen has also got 2 electrons. So duets are over. Then what about oxygen? It should have 6 electrons. That is, it should obey the octet rule. So 2 sets of lone pair of electrons. So 2 into 2, 4. And bond ordered pair. So again 2 into 2, 4. So 4 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 8. So we have 8 electrons. Okay. So this is the way we have to draw the Lewis structure of some simple compounds. Okay. Thank you very much for watching this video.